All right. Well, because from the question it required us to set the axis value, the line for the magnitude and the phase. So I would like to teach one method how we can do that. So the purpose of this is specify the range for magnitude, then magnitude and phase. Oh, sorry, and phase. Okay. So for magnitude, I call it VM, and then you can use the you don't use any command for the bracket, but in fact you can use in this way. So you put them in one set of data. So 0.1 is the x-axis, which is our x-axis is the omega. So we know 0.1 to 100. And remember, you should start with the minimum number, then go to the maximum number. This is your minimum and the maximum of the x-axis. So when we go to the magnitude y-axis, our minimum number is negative 100 to 20. Okay, even though you say, hey, from the graph I can see that this is 20, this is negative 100, so you used to write 20 to negative 100, but not in that way. Remember, start with the minimum ones and then to the maximum on your y-axis. Okay, then go to the phase diagram. Then so 0.1 x-axis, this one is same. Okay, so for the phase, you see the minimum, this is not the correct one. So minimum one, we have negative 45 to negative 270. So we know that in negative value, the minimum value is the largest one. So larger one, so negative 270, you write here. Negative 270 to negative 45. Okay, well, now I already have this with us, then let's plot. Okay, so figure, then this, you see in one figure we have two plots. That means we should use subplot. Then we have two in the row, and then first one. Okay, so use semilogx, omega x-axis and the magnitude dB y-axis, and I want to set it to the example you want a different color. So up to you, like this one is black color, so then I use the K. And I want it to plot in the thicker line, so I set the properties line width is 2. Okay, then don't forget I want its grid on, and please follow the axis. The command here is axis VM, because this one is for my magnitude. Then the title for this plot, the title for this plot is Bode diagram of GS. Okay, and then the X label is okay. Because as you see there, here they don't write omega, they put a symbol. So to write symbol in MATLAB is omega and radian per second. Okay, this one done, and the Y label is again unit in dB. Okay. Well, so okay, then we go to the subplot, the two row and then the only one column and then the second row. So semilog x, semilog x because you only log the x-axis, omega, and then phase, and then let's say because the figure is in black color as well, so I still the same, I use K. You want to change color, it's up to you. Line width the same, I use 2. Okay, I also want it grid on. Okay, so while X label is the same, then I try to copy, paste, and what I have changed here is the phase and in the degree. Okay, right. So I have this with me. Then don't forget we not yet run the VM, right? So let's run this one first. Okay, so I have the VM and then the sorry, so this is not VM, this is VP. I made mistake here. So VM, then please see here. Okay, I have not yet used the axis for the phase plot, so let's use the VP. Okay, so let's run again. So now I have the VM and the VP value. Then okay, let's run this one. Okay, we have problem here. Semilog and okay, line with grid on, error, invalid expression, check for missing multiplication operator, unbalanced. So we go back to this one. Semilog x, omega, and phase. Okay, semilog x. So we see now our omega is 100, our phase is 100 as well. Then let's see what's happened here. Phase, and then this one we multiply to phase. Okay. Again. Okay, this still not work because he said, oh yeah, we don't have it here. Okay, okay, let's try again. Don't worry with the and with the red color line pop up on your command window. Okay, you just read it through and then okay, use bracket instead of parentheses. It will teach you how to solve the problem. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so now the figure is here. We have 20 to this, and then here is negative 45. As we said, negative 45 to what is that? Negative 270. But just the scale is different. But in fact here the scale is the negative 270 to negative 45 here. Okay, well, what we have done this, but then if you look at here, we don't have the omega and this omega. So just now we have calculated the value, then now we want to put on our graph. Then what can I do? That you can try to use this command, gtext. I think everybody know how to use this. Gtext what? Gtext our the value omega gm equals to 4.01. 4.01 you can refer to answer here. Then you can use this for the phase margin, omega phase margin, which is 0.44. 0.44. Okay, so well, come to here, that's so because you use G tag, so you have to settle the first one. Okay, omega GM is 4.0, where is 4? This is 10, so 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's around here, 4.01. Oh, it's too top. Okay, second one is go to the phase margin, so 0. 0.4, 1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.44, so let's say it's here. Okay, so well, this one maybe you can try to remove again, so you can adjust here. Then you already identify and then the omega PM and omega GM on your figure. So now we can compare that. Yes, we can get almost similar one as our exercise. Hope you learn it and enjoy it. Thank you very much.